Hello everyone, we're doing a coffee pot handle repair and it's a bit off camera, but the screw and insert that I'm trying to clean off is what holds the top of the handle together, and that part is broken off. Plastic's a bit old on the handle, so that's what needs to be repaired. But first thing, I wanted to tighten up that screw insert, and you'll see here what it looks like, but and the screw and the insert, but really what the insert looks like is this, if it's nice and new and shiny. So basically I'm trying to tighten that up. I'm putting in a little extra washer to make that nice and secure here, and that's what you'll see me going back and forth a few times. Now as I'm hunting around for a washer, there was already a washer on there that holds the screw to the inner portion of the pot, like a sealing washer, so I kept that in place. But the key was to find the right diameter washer to get in there without interfering too much with the plastic handle. This is how it looks in the end. Circle in red is the insert sticking out with the secure screw in place. The lower handle slides down into the slot that's there with the screw that's on there. So basically here I'm going back and forth and trying to fit everything back together so I could start the epoxying. Mixing this 2-part JB Weld epoxy. It's a quick set with a 5-minute hold time and then about a 6-hour cure, but I'd recommend taking longer to let it fully cure in place, especially since I'm going to put a lot of material in there to secure the broken pieces of plastic that you see on the table, as well as just lumping in and filling up all the missing sections that she had. And I'll start gluing on the bigger pieces that I had. There was at least 1 or 2 chunks that she was there, so I'll fill in those sections securely around the screw, try to hold it in place, wipe off any excess oozing, and then I'll begin to get some packing tape to secure this later, and just keep on repeating the process, right? And I'll try to fill in that big giant void that's there. Clear packing tape is being used so the customer can take this home in a reasonable time frame and have the item secure in transit. And that's basically it for this one. The epoxy kind of sets, and I'll slowly kind of wipe away any little pieces that go in. The surface is already starting to set, and I can kind of adjust it a bit like putty to clean up some pieces and wipe off any excess. I'll even use a little wiping tool from my voltmeter just to clean up some more sensitive areas. And that's it. Thank you and enjoy.